Hello students, welcome to online lectures of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 3, subject EVS, lesson So Many Kinds of Animals. Let's begin. Students, have a look at this picture and tell me what can you see. Yes, we can see there are many kinds of animals here, but they all look so different from each other. Students, can you tell me where can we find these animals? Tell me about eagle. Where can you find an eagle? Think. We can find eagle mostly in the sky. An eagle flies high in the sky. What about a cow? Where can you find a cow? Think again. A cow walks on the ground. What about a fish? Where can you find a fish? Yes, a fish swims in water. Children, every animal lives in different places and we can find them in the place where they live. There are different types of animals around us. Some are big, like elephant, tiger, lion, giraffe, rhinoceros, horse, and many others. Some animals are small, like monkey, cat, squirrel, rabbit, rat, etc., while earthworm and cockroach are smaller than them. But ants and gnats are very tiny, very small. Some animals are white in color, like egret, polar bear, pigeon, sheep, swan, wolf, and many others. Some animals are black in color, like black panther, crow, buffalo, ostrich, and many others. Some animals are colorful, like peacock, hen, parrot, and others. Every animal has different features. Let us understand about their movements. Some animals can run fast. For example, deer, leopard, etc. Some animals can fly high. For example, eagle, vulture, etc. Some animals can only jump and hop. For example, frog, kangaroo, etc. Some animals can walk but cannot run fast. For example, elephant, etc. Every animal moves in different ways. Let us now understand about the movements of few animals. Squirrel. A squirrel is a small animal. It is nimble, meaning it is very quick, fast, and light-weighted. It is also very active. It goes everywhere very quickly. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch. Elephant. The elephant's body is bulky, huge, large, big. Its legs are heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. It cannot run fast because of its weight. Deer. The deer has thin legs. Thin legs helps the deer to run very fast. Frog. Frogs only jump. A frog's behind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump, and leap. Now we will learn about animals and their uses. There are some animals that are useful to us. For example, dog. The dog guards our house. It protects our house from thieves and robbers. Some people also like to keep cat. Students, cows, buffaloes, and goats give us milk. Some people also keep hens. We get meat and eggs from hens. Bullocks help with farm work. Farmers use bullock to plow their field. They are also used to pull carts with heavy burdens and loads. Horses and donkeys too are used to carry burdens, to carry heavy loads. Students, there are some animals whom we do not like to welcome in our house. We do not want them in our house. They are the gate crashers. Some animals come in our house even when we do not want them to come inside, like rats and mice. They come into our house and eat grains. They also spoil other things in the house by biting them continuously. We also sometimes find bed bugs in our house. They suck our blood, that is, they drink our blood. Spiders. They also make cobwebs in the house. The net structure that you can see in the picture is called cobwebs. Mosquitoes, flies, gnats, and cockroaches are a nuisance too. They also trouble us and harm us. But these animals are also important in nature. Students, up till now we have learned general classification of animals based on day-to-day life. Now we will learn classification of animals based on important characteristics, features, and qualities by scientists. We suckle our young. The mother animal gives birth to their babies and feed them with their milk. These animals are also called mammals. These animals have 4 legs. They have hair on their body. They have external ears. They have outer ears just like us. The young ones, small babies of animals like cow, dog, goat, and rat grow up on their mother's milk. That is, the babies of a cow, dog, goat, and rat drink their mother's milk to grow up. We fly. There are animals that can fly. They are called birds. Birds have 2 legs and a beak. Children, can you see the beak in the picture? Yes. They have 2 wings to fly with. Can you see the wings in the picture? Birds use their wings to fly in the sky. Their body is covered with feathers. Students, there are differences in the flying ability of different birds. Some birds can fly high, whereas some birds cannot fly high. The eagle can soar high into the sky. The eagle can stay in the air for a long time. The eagle can fly in the air for a long time. But cock or hen cannot fly high and comes down soon, that is, in a short time. We live in water. There are many types of animals that live in water. They are called aquatic animals. There are many different kinds of fish. They live in water. Let us take an example of this fish. Students, each pointed area on this fish is called a fin. Fins help fishes to move in water. This is an eye. These are scales. It grows out on the skin of a fish. It is like a protective layer on the fish. These are gills. These are behind the eyes of a fish. Fishes use their gills to breathe in water. We creep and crawl. Animals like chameleon, lizard, snake, etc. creep and crawl. They are also called reptiles. Chameleons, house lizards and snakes are animals that crawl. ये सारे जानवर रेंगते हैं. They have scales on their bodies. Chameleons and house lizards have 4 legs, but these are very short. The snake do not have legs at all. We are called insects. Butterflies, mosquitoes, houseflies and cockroaches are all insects. Students, butterflies have wings, but we do not call them birds. They are smaller than birds. Insects have 6 legs. Butterflies also have 6 legs, which is why butterflies are also called insects. Mosquitoes, houseflies, and cockroaches are also insects. Students, there is a special mention here. Bats. Bats have wings, but they do not have feathers on their body. Young ones of bats, small babies of bats, feed on their mother's milk. They drink their mother's milk. Bats are not birds like crow, sparrow, parrot, and cock. They are like cow, tiger, deer, and mouse. Bats are also called mammals. Students, this was your lesson. So many kinds of animals.